Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and this is part 3 about this illusion. This isn't going to be so much of an illusion, but it would be a good exercise to kind of understand what I did. I'm going to take and this is kind of important, to take a 2-point line and draw a perfect line and then make it a particular length. So we're going to call it 20 inches. We need that 20 inches. Matter of fact, we're going to make it 30 inches. And then open that Docker up we had earlier. Let me zoom back in here. And go to Windows, Dockers, Transform, do this one right here. We want them a 1/2 inch apart. And we want 60, which would be double. So now we can take this thing and we're 30 inches by 30 inches. Go to Object, Group, and group them together. And then hit P to put them in the center of the page. Now we need to take a rectangle with a even or a square with an even number. So we're going to lock our ratio this time and go 20. So now we got a 20 by 20. We're actually going to hit P, put it in the center of the page, and then we're going to rotate it 45 degrees. Now we're going to set our nudge factor on 30. We'll make it 32 so we can get it completely out of the way. Let me zoom in here a little bit. This isn't going to be that much of an optical illusion, but it is a pretty cool drawing. I'm going to hit plus on the keyboard and I'm going to move it down. This one, I'm going to take our rectangle and turn it black and no outline. Then I'm going to select everything and I'm going to go right here, back minus front, and that took away the front. Now this one, all we have to do is intersect, but we need to turn our item at a 45 degree angle or 90 degree angle. We want it just the opposite. 90 degrees. So now we got lines going both ways. We're going to select all this and we're going to go to intersect. And that intersected that part. Now we can grab it and move it up. And look at that. Now we're not close. But this is what's so cool about this. If we open up our Docker, and remember our lines are 1/2 inch apart. So that's the only thing we have to worry about, staying within that half an inch. We'll join curves. Let's take the shape, let's actually take the pick tool and select it all. And then grab the shape tool. So you really have to, let's do this. Let's pick the inside, hold down the shift, pick the outside, grab the shape tool and select it all. And why isn't that working? Tell you what I'm going to have to do. I'll probably have to ungroup them. I just did this 2 minutes ago. Let's ungroup them, and now we can grab the shape tool and select them all and stay within a 1/2 inch, so 0.45. And look what it did. Now this isn't an optical illusion, but look at the corners going different directions. It is kind of an optical illusion. Let's make it and it's not perfect. I'm off right there a little bit, but most of them are good. And because they're, we could probably, and it couldn't close that because it's actually a corner, but you could take that and move that up. Probably that way on both sides. Yes, it is. But that's no big deal. It just couldn't close that turn. I had a double node there, so I tried to remove it. Now let's make this a dark line in black and double click on your pen tool and make it thicker. We'll get away from the red, make it black, and we'll go to 16 points. That's pretty cool. We're a little bit off right there, but that's just one node missing. That would be a pretty cool drawing for going different directions. And it is kind of an optical illusion. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.